Hello and welcome to this English learning podcast. Today we are going to talk about something very important, something that affects every part of your life. We will talk about living a healthy life. And while you learn about health, you will also learn many useful English words and sentences. Are you ready? Let's begin. Chapter 1. What is a healthy life? A healthy life means living in a way that helps your body and your mind stay well. It is about eating good food. It is about moving your body. It is about sleeping well. It is also about thinking good thoughts. A healthy life is not only about not being sick. It is about feeling good, feeling strong, feeling happy. You may ask, why is it important to live healthy? Because when your body is healthy, you can do more. You can work better. You can enjoy time with your family. You can live longer. And your mind is also fresh and active. When you live a healthy life, you become a better version of yourself. Remember this sentence. Health is wealth. It means, when you are healthy, it is more valuable than money. Money can buy many things, but it cannot buy health. That's why a healthy life is the best life. Chapter 2. Eating right. Food is fuel for the body. The right food gives you energy. The wrong food can make you tired or sick. So what is the right food? Let's talk about it. Eat more. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts and seeds, clean water. Eat less. Sugar, fried foods, soft drinks, processed snacks, too much salt. Your body needs vitamins and minerals. You get them from colorful fruits and green vegetables. Try to eat 2 or 3 fruits every day. Eat different colors, red apple, yellow banana, orange carrot, green spinach. Different colors give different nutrients. Try this sentence. I eat fresh food to stay fresh. Also, don't skip breakfast. Breakfast is your first meal. It gives you the power to start your day. If you skip breakfast, you may feel weak or sleepy. Another tip, drink enough water. Try to drink 6 to 8 glasses every day. Water keeps your skin clean, your mind sharp, and your body active. Stay away from too many sweets and oily food. It is okay to eat your favorite food sometimes, but not every day. Try this rule. Eat to live, don't live to eat. Also, eat slowly. Chew your food well. Enjoy your meals. Don't eat in a hurry. When you eat slowly, your body digests better, and you feel full with less food. Simple sentence to remember. Good food, good mood. Chapter 3. Exercise daily. Exercise is moving your body. It helps you stay strong. It makes your heart healthy. It burns extra fat. It also makes you feel happy. Yes, exercise helps your mind too. Do you know? When you walk or run or stretch, your brain releases happy chemicals. These are called endorphins. They make you feel good. You don't need to go to the gym. You don't need fancy machines. Simple exercise is enough. Walk for 30 minutes. Dance to your favorite song. Stretch your arms and legs. Play cricket or football. Ride a bicycle. Do yoga. Just move your body. Do it every day. Make it a habit. Try this English sentence. Exercise is my daily medicine. Also, avoid sitting for too long. If you sit at work or school, stand up and stretch every hour. Your back and neck will thank you. Even 10 minutes of movement is better than 0. Make small goals. Walk 5,000 steps today. 6,000 tomorrow. Keep improving. Exercise also helps you sleep better. It gives you more energy. It reduces stress and tension. So don't say, I don't have time. Make time. Health is your best friend. Take care of it. Chapter 4. Sleep well. Sleep is not just rest. It is repair. When you sleep, your body heals. Your brain also cleans itself. That's why sleep is very important. Adults need 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Children need more. If you don't sleep enough, you feel tired. You get angry easily. You can't focus. You may even fall sick. So how to sleep well? Go to bed at the same time every night. Avoid phones and screens before sleep. Keep your room dark and quiet. Don't drink coffee late in the day. Try to relax before sleep. Read a book, pray or meditate. Take deep breaths. Let your body know. It is time to rest. English tip. Good sleep is the best recovery. When you wake up after good sleep, you feel fresh. Your body is ready. Your mind is ready. You are ready. Chapter 5. Mental health. Your mind is part of your health. If your mind is not okay, your body will suffer too. So, take care of your thoughts, your feelings, your emotions. Sometimes we feel sad. Sometimes we feel stress. It is okay, but we must not stay sad all the time. We must learn to talk. Talk to a friend. Talk to a teacher. Talk to a doctor if needed. Never feel shy to ask for help. You are not alone. Also, practice gratitude. Say thank you for the good things, even small things. Thank you for food. Thank you for family. Thank you for a new day. It helps your mind stay positive. Do something you enjoy every day. Listen to music, draw or paint, play a game, go outside. Sunlight helps your mood. One more thing, spend less time on social media. Too much scrolling can make you feel tired or sad. Remember, strong mind, strong life. Try this English sentence. I take care of my mind like I take care of my body. That's how you live a healthy life, inside and out. Chapter 6. Avoid bad habits. To live healthy, we must say no to things that hurt us. Say no to smoking, say no to alcohol, say no to drugs. They may look fun for a short time, but they destroy your body. They damage your lungs, liver, heart, brain. Many people suffer because of these habits. Some even lose their lives. Be smart. Say yes to health. Say yes to life. Also, avoid too much screen time, too much TV, too much phone. Your eyes get tired. Your brain gets lazy. Use screens with care. Not all habits are bad, but some steal your time and peace. Replace bad habits with good ones. Instead of scrolling, go for a walk. Instead of junk food, eat fruit. Instead of smoking, drink water. You can change. One good choice at a time. Remember this English line: I choose health over harm. Chapter 7. Building healthy habits. Healthy living is not one day. It is every day. It is not big changes. It is small steps. Drink 1 more glass of water. Sleep 30 minutes earlier. Eat 1 fruit every morning. Walk 15 minutes after lunch. These are small things, but they become habits. And habits become your lifestyle. Make your health a priority. Teach your children. Support your parents. Help your friends live better too. Health is a gift, but you must protect it. And it's never too late to start. Even if you are 40 or 60, you can change. Even if you are sick now, you can improve. Take that first step. And then the next, and then one more. English sentence for today. 1 step at a time, I build a better life. You don't need to be perfect. Just be better than yesterday. Let's repeat what we learned today. Healthy life means eating good food, drinking clean water, exercising daily, sleeping well, thinking positive, avoiding bad habits, taking small steps daily. This is not just good for the body, it is good for your future, your job, your dreams, your happiness. Remember, your body is your home. Take care of it. I hope you learned something today, not just about health, but also about English. Practice these words and sentences. Repeat them. Speak them out loud. Health and English. Both will grow. Thank you for listening. Take care. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep learning. See you next time.